a brand of this Casio crystal. Okay, something wrong to this calculator. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 times 81. Suppose is all 9999. Okay, let's open up and see. And a screw hiding inside, nothing here. Okay. Oh, the battery is here. Okay, I'll try to change this battery and see. Push up this side. Okay. What is the code number here? This is a cell battery. Let's see the code. The code is LR1130H. Okay, let's find this battery. I cannot find seller selling this LR1130H cell battery, so I Google it and find this battery equivalent. Okay, and I found the equivalent is 1130 AG10 189 LL54 and LL55. Okay, let's go and find. Hopefully I can find one of these equivalent battery. Okay, see what I found? I found this AG10. Okay, take one. See same size or not? Yeah, almost same size. Okay, let's try and see this one. Okay, I push in. Before I close, see. Before I close the cover, okay, let's try and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay. Here times 81 equal. Oh, cannot. So I also don't know. Okay, anyway, I just close the cover and see first. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 times 81. But I don't know why. Okay, anyway, just buy a new one. 1, 2, 2 not clear. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Is it connection problem? Hold it properly and see here. Okay. One, two, three. So cannot. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, since it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 times 81 equal 9999. Okay, just cover it back. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 times 81. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 times 18. 2, 2, 2. Yeah, okay. Okay, change battery, solve my problem. Thank you.